The journey of Hal Finney, pioneer and visionary of Bitcoin. Hello, everyone. Today, I will share an extraordinary story about a remarkable man named Hal Finney. His life was a journey that illuminated the path for innovations that would, in some way, touch the lives of everyone, including Bitcoin. Hal was born in a small town, where dreams were big and opportunities were scarce. From an early age, he displayed a love for mathematics and technology. Hal had a sharp mind and an inquisitive spirit that drove him throughout his life. While in college, Hal developed a passion for solving complex challenges. He relished diving into problems, analyzing data, and discovering innovative solutions. This passion led him to a career as a programmer, where his exceptional skill caught the attention of many. Hal was always at the forefront of the latest technological discoveries, exploring new horizons and embracing the unknown with enthusiasm. His journey included notable contributions in various fields, from cryptography to video games. However, Hal's journey took an unexpected turn. In 2009, he was diagnosed with a debilitating disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. Even in the face of this adversity, Hal did not let it deter him. He continued to embrace life with passion and determination. It was during this challenging period that Hal encountered a revolutionary concept that would change his life and the world. This project, which would later become known as Bitcoin, captured his heart. He began working on this project with passion and dedication, and his vision was clear. Hal Finney worked tirelessly, day and night, collaborating with other visionaries who shared his passion. They faced obstacles that seemed insurmountable, but together, they found solutions. It was a challenging journey, full of sacrifices but also filled with hope. Over time, Hal's project grew, and his vision came to life. His unwavering dedication and relentless pursuit of improvement resulted in something that transcended the bounds of imagination. This achievement would impact not only his life, but also the entire world. However, Hal's battle with ALS continued to challenge him. In 2014, Hal Finney passed away, leaving behind a legacy of innovation, determination, and passion. Today, Hal Finney's legacy lives on through Bitcoin and the innovations he helped catalyze. Bitcoin continues to thrive, affecting how the world perceives and uses digital money. On behalf of all of humanity, we express profound gratitude to Hal Finney for his tireless dedication, passion, and vision. His work continues to inspire and shape the future of the world of finance and technology. Hal Finney, you are remembered as a true pioneer and visionary who contributed to a new era of possibilities. Until next time. Help Satoshi.